Today we'll be installing MaxLite's GuardMax Entry WallPack with an integrated dusk-to-dawn photocell. Let's begin. We'll start by removing the 6 screws securing the diffuser to the fixture's backplate. Next, we'll squeeze the tabs on the sides of the reflector sheet and remove that too. Finally, we'll remove the sensor cap on the photo control sensor. If you won't be using the photo control, you can leave the sensor cap in place. Now we'll feed the main power wires through the back plate and mount the back plate to the wall. Next, we'll make our wiring connections according to the diagrams in the instruction manual. After wiring, reinstall the reflector sheet by squeezing the toolless tabs on each side. Finish up by securing the diffuser firmly to the back plate and using screws to hold it in place. You can make sure the top and bottom are oriented correctly by referring to the markings on the diffuser. That's it! Our new GuardMax Entry WallPack fixture with photocell is installed and will turn on automatically every evening when it gets dark. For more information on the GuardMax, see the link below. Thanks for watching.